Whirlpool refrigerator side by side, and it's causing a puddle in front of the freezer. So what I did was remove the panel. This was the panel over here. Remove the panel, and inside right here is the heat prop. This is the white metal, is the original one, and it's very short. It's like about 2 inches. So what I did was I get a copper wire about more than a span like this, about like this, and I wire it in. So I wire it in, so hopefully it can transmit the heat into the hole and prevent it from frozen, so it won't froze and make a puddle in front of it any longer. So hopefully this would work. I don't want to remove this one, maybe, so that's why I make another reinforced, a longer piece of copper. So hopefully this will prevent from frozen this hole, and the water would get into the bag, into the water tray down there better. That's it.